Okay, so just want to shoot a quick video, show you how to create your business manager account. Just go to business.facebook.com and then click on this create account, like so. And then all you have to do is it says create your business manager account. With an account you can assign roles, permission, pages, add accounts, and all this good stuff that we need. So we're going to call this well, you know what, let's call it, I'm going to call it my name. So I already have one for my main business. So if you don't, you can put a business name or you can put whatever name, but your business name will be shown to all employees and can't contain special characters. So then just click continue. And then you create your business profile, add the name and email you want to use for Business Manager. Nothing from your personal Facebook profile will be shown to people in your Business Manager account. So I'm just going to use my name and then my email for this one. Then click on finish. And it should go through in a second. There we go. So now I've got my Business Manager account created. So from here I can add a page, add an ad account, add people. Those are the main things. And I can add an ad account. So all that good stuff that I can do now from the Business Manager is able to start right from here. So that is awesome. So go ahead and create your Business Manager account.